What is up, my creatures of the knife? Hey, welcome back. Have another knife unboxing. This is a classic. Let's get into it. We have the, come on, I should get a better camera one of these days, better lens. All right, we got the Doug Ritter. I cannot say Doug Ritter today. Doug Ritter. RSK MK1 G2, 3.44 inch blade, drop point tumbled in the purple G10 ABL. I have been looking for the Doug Ritter Hogue for a while, and I finally found one. Shout out to Timber's Edge Knives. Had this baby on sale in stock. Yeah, super stoked. Check out Timber's Edge Knives. He's got a lot of good stuff. Let's get into it. Get the fancy Doug Ritter pouch. Typical Hogue propaganda. Hogue sticker. Boom, baby. This one is tumbled in C20V, or sorry, 20CV. I'm a bit dyslexic. I'm a big fan of multicolored G10. The classics never die. I love the dual lay, dual color, alternate lay, and then when they mill it, so you get that. Just that cool. It's classic. It's dated. Nobody really does it anymore, which is why I was stoked to finally get a hold of a Doug Ritter with these scales on it. It's got the cool pattern. You got kind of rainbows out. You got lines here. You got lines coming this way, and then you got your pyramid texture. You've got your palm swell in there, which makes this just a super comfortable knife. You can tell I've already been using this one because it is dirty, but that's why I buy them. I buy them to use them. So 20 CV steel, drop point blade. I like their studs. Their studs are really cool. If you don't own a Hogue, you're kind of missing out. They're kind of a cross between a safety stud, extra milling, whatever they call their axis lock, clutch lock. Smooth feeling knife. The old thumb flick. Got a reverse flick if I can keep my fat finger out of the way. The old forward flick. All around, it's a Ritter Hogue. Can't go wrong with them. Benchmade Griptilian, whatever you want to call it. Kind of a classic knife. I own this knife in the Benchmade fixed blade version. It is one of my favorite knives to carry when I'm out in the woods. I will show that off on a "Hey boy, where'd you get that knife" video in the future one of these days. Got the Doug Ritter on the clip. Right hand or left hand carry, tip up. That's also got a tumbled finish on it. G10 scales. I haven't taken this apart. This is not a full steel liner, if you're familiar with them. It's just kind of like an insert, goes to about there, but it feels really good. Feels good in the hand. You can kind of choke up on it, but you're going to want to watch your finger right there. I mean, who doesn't love a drop point? It's got to be the most versatile working knife on the planet. Nice, not a big belly on this knife, more of a gradual belly. Like kind of, you know, a little bit more would have been nice, but who am I to argue? Got crap all over it. So yeah, I haven't gotten to carry this a whole lot, 7 or 8 times, but it's definitely in my daily or my weekly regime of pocket carry. Yeah, that's about all I got to say without just getting long and talking about how much I like it. Lanyard hole, if you care about that. Nice milled standoffs. I like milled standoffs. They just look good. Good blade centering. Can't really argue with it. I think it's one of those must-haves for all collections. If you can get a hold of one of these, you can get it on a deal. Timber's Edge had this. You know, it's an older knife. I think they're doing them in Magna Cut now, but I was able to get this on sale with discount, shipped to the door for about $190, so was not gonna complain. All right, guys, hopefully you found this interesting. Like, subscribe, comment, tell me if I suck, tell me what I missed, tell me what you want to see. Peace out.